Are you ready to unfold a world of possibilities? Introducing the Oppo N2 Flip, the smartphone that has it all. The Oppo N2 Flip boasts a 50-megapixel wide-angle camera with a Sony IMX890 sensor, allowing you to capture every moment with outstanding clarity. And with the 112 degrees ultra-wide camera, you can fit more into your frame than ever before. The 32-megapixel front camera with a Sony IMX709 sensor delivers stunning selfies every time. Plus, with the hands-free selfie feature, you can capture the perfect shot without lifting a finger. The Oppo N2 Flip's DV video recorder gives you a super fun retro shooting experience. Let your friends see what they'll look like in your shot. The Oppo N2 Flip's 4300 mAh battery gives you all-day staying power. And with the 44W flash charge, you can be ready to rock again. And MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus chipset delivers ultimate performance on CPU and graphics, so you can do more for longer. The 6.8-inch screen with 120Hz adaptive display provides an amazingly smooth and immersive view, perfect for intense gaming and addictive video. The smartphone costs around Rs 90,000 in India.